Welcome back to Dinaris Farm's Kitchen. Today, we're going to be making a warm apple crisp that's fall inspired, and we're going to take this and turn it into this. It's really easy. Let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so what I have in this bowl is 5 Cosmic Crisp apples that I've cored and then sliced. I didn't bother to skin them, but totally up to you. I like skins on my apples. And then to this, I toss them in about a tablespoon or 2 of lemon juice so that they don't brown. So to the apples, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of sugar. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 whole teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and we're going to put in about 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg as well. So with all those ingredients added, we're just going to mix this around until everything is well incorporated. All right, now that apple mixture is nicely mixed, we're going to pour it into our 8x8 baking dish that I've already greased with butter. Feel free to use cooking spray if that's what you have. Now for the topping for the apple crisp, I'm going to put 1/3 cup of brown sugar. We're going to add 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to lightly mix this mixture, break up some of that brown sugar, and then I'm going to add, this is 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I've diced up and then left in the refrigerator so that it stayed nice and cold. And then I'm just going to take my fork and kind of work it in. We're looking for a kind of a crumb texture at the end of it all, and I might even get my hands in so that I can work the butter into smaller little pieces. Okay, now that I've kind of mixed the butter through, there's some really large pieces, some really small pieces. It'll make a great topping, trust me. We're going to try to evenly coat all of the apples. All right, now that we've assembled our apple crisp, this is going to go into our 350-degree preheated oven. This is going to take about 40 to 45 minutes. We want the apples to be nice and soft and bubbling and the top to be golden brown. Alrighty, so after 40 minutes in the oven, I've taken it out. The apples are bubbling like crazy. The top is nice and golden. We're going to let this cool for at least 10 to 15 minutes before we cut into it. And then it pairs really nicely with some vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. Well, there you have it, folks. A wonderful and simple apple crisp, perfect for the fall season. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please like the video and subscribe. If you have any comments about what I should make next, leave those below. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day.